Yo, what is going on? Jake Hicks here, and for this video I have a surprise unboxing. Now, I don't know how amazing this angle is going to be, but I'm going to try my best to show this off the best I can. Alright, so I have now taken the address off the box, and now I will get right into this. This box is pretty huge. Now, on the tape, it actually says, they have little stickers on it that say MCM, so that should give away what this is. So now I'm going to actually get into this package. So now we're just taking this tape off these sides. I might need to use the knife again. Oh no, this is pretty easy to take off. Now this is packaged really nice. Like, it's a huge box, it's got tons of tape on it. So that's nice on that end. Your package most likely isn't going to be coming damaged just because of all this packaging. So I know this is a weird angle, but I'm just going to quickly say like how I had to get this. So I had to call down to the Toronto store because there's not a Canadian website for them, so it would probably have to get stuck at the customs. So all I did was I called the MCM store in Toronto, and then they just placed the order from me, and it came in about a day. So I have one other MCM item. It's the MCM belt in the cognac. So let's get right into this package. Oh, it's got lots of wrapping paper and stuff inside. It's probably got the receipt. So right when you open it, you get a card, and pretty much on the inside just says thank you for ordering the item that I ordered. Now this is just the receipt. It comes in a pretty cool cover. I'm just not going to open that right now, and let's get right into this item. Alright, so you guys are seeing this at the same time I am. Too bad you can't see my reaction on my face, but I'm definitely going to love this now. Oh, it comes in another box. They have actual MCM wrapping paper inside of here. Alright, so now I have the big box out of the way, and now it's just into this smaller package. So I will just pull this right off. It's actual like MCM lace. Now, this is probably going to be a pain in the ass to take off. So I'll be right back when I get... Oh, no. I've got this. Now, let's try and get this right on open. There we go. Now this has just a little card on it, probably if you were trying to give it as a gift, but I am not because I'm keeping this. Now from the size of this box, you guys might be able to tell that's something a bit bigger. Now, on the box it has the MCM print. It's an actual really nice box. Now I just have to figure out how to open it. There's another sticker, so I'll be right back when I get all that off. Alright, so I think when I pull this up, my item should be right there. Oh, yep, it's in here. I can somewhat see it. Comes in a bag, MCM. Now let's get this right on out of here. Of course they tie it again just to make it hard on me. This is like the most confusing tie I've ever seen. There we go. Let's open this up. As you guys can tell, it is the MCM backpack, size medium. It's got some side studs. I've had my eye on this for so long, and I've finally bought it, and I could not be happier with this. Alright, so now I just put it on. It looks pretty nice. I love the MCM design, you know, it matches the belt. We got that. Now, I'm so happy with this. It's the nicest, probably the nicest thing I've ever bought. That just matches perfectly, and it's such a sick looking backpack. I purposely chose the one with the side studding because I hate when it has the side studding up on here, but it looks super nice when it's just on the side. Now on the back it has the same thing, and then just under here it's more of just like a comfier material to rest on your arms. And I'm actually going to California Alright, so my camera died, so I'm just gonna continue from where we left off. Alright, so I was just about to say that I'm going to California on March break, which is like kind of mid-March. So this bag will come very handy for that. It'll look very nice when I wear it in California, and you know, it's just an extra thing to flex with, and I just love how it looks. Now on the inside, when you open it up, it's like very soft feeling on the inside. It's kind of like a leather, and it's just a really soft leather. It's black on the inside. I can't really show you because the camera won't pick it up, and it's not like you guys can feel it. But you've got the big inside part, and then you've got this little pouch up here, and then you've just got two side pouches, and then that's it. And inside the backpack, like in the big pouch, you have two pouches on the back side where you could put like a laptop or an iPad in. This backpack is about the average backpack. It's pretty big. Like you could fit a pair of shoes in it, you could fit your books in it, you could fit a laptop in it, you could fit a lot of stuff. It's a pretty decent sized backpack. Now this backpack in Canadian, it came to about $1,071. I think the retail on it's like 900 and something, and then in America the retail on it is like 790. Yes, I do know that is a lot to spend on a backpack, but compared to some other brands' backpacks, that's actually a pretty good price. And I really love the MCM design, I love the color, and I just really like the brand MCM. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, please drop a like on the video, subscribe if you're new, and comment down below what you'd like to see more of.